Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can go ahead and upload high quality picture right there in your Facebook. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. So if you want to do so, first of all, open your Facebook and I'll go to your Facebook, go to your settings option, tap on the settings over here. If you do that, you will find this option called media, tap on it, and if you scroll down you won't be able to find this option called upload high quality pictures or anything over here. You will be able to find this video quality, but you do not have any other option. So for that purpose, go ahead, open your Facebook Lite instead, and now tap on this three horizontal line, go to this settings option right over here, settings option, and now you will scroll down, find this media option right over here in preference, and here you will be able to find this photo quality option given over there. So simply, as you can see, it's over here high as well. So if it's in case here in low, you can simply go ahead, turn this to high over here, and you can upload your high quality pictures right there in Facebook. So yes guys, this is the way. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys next time.